Hello everyone, welcome to Otis Place. Today's video is one of encouragement. I'm making this video to encourage anyone who is about to give up on their natural hair journey. I saw a video recently that prompted this video. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. This is me doing my big chop. Guys, I had to go dig up my old videos to put them together to make this video for you. I have been able to get different videos from my big chop days to where my hair is at recently. And why I did this was because I saw a video recently of someone saying black people can't grow their natural hair and that most people can't grow their hair. I'm not going to go into details about what the video was saying. But when I watched the video, when I listened to what was said in the video, I just decided that I should come up here and encourage somebody, because some people will watch that video and just give up on their natural hair journey because somebody has said it is not in black people to grow their hair. I have chronicled my hair growth at least to the best of my ability. There are many videos and pictures that I no longer have, but I've been able to get some. And this is from my big chop to where my hair is at. I'm going to tell you what I have done that has helped me grow my hair and retain the length that I have right now. I did my big chop myself. What I wanted was to make sure I grew my hair as fast as possible. But when I researched later, I found out that retaining length was more important than growing the hair. I decided to concentrate on length retention because no matter how much hair one grows, if we don't retain that length, we will just see our hair at the same length every year, or maybe even worse, it could be shorter as the years go by. Length retention to me is more important than the hair growth, because most of us, our hair grows whether we do anything to it or not, but the rate at which the hair grows differs. Our hair can grow half an inch a month. Some people's own can grow quarter of an inch a month. Some can grow 1 inch a month. But the thing is, if we don't retain the length we are getting, we will not see the growth of our hair. Now, what have I done to retain my length? Guys, I try to keep my hair routine as simple as possible. What I do is to make sure my hair is properly hydrated, my hair is properly moisturized, because if my hair is dry, I will experience a lot of breakage. Dry hair equals brittle hair, which equals breakage. So top of my list was making sure that no matter what, my hair always stayed moisturized. And how did I moisturize my hair? Guys, I have videos on the channel showing how I moisturize my hair, what I use in moisturizing my hair. Moisture is very important, because if you don't moisturize, you are not going to see your length. Now, I know that our hair is kind of different. Some people's hair is more resilient than others. Some people's hair, once they don't moisturize, they start seeing the breakage. Some, it will take longer for the breakage to come. But all in all, natural hair needs moisture to thrive. Now, what you use for the moisture will really depend on you. Number one thing our hair really needs to thrive is water. So you want to make sure that your hair moisturizer has water as one of its first ingredients if you're using store-bought moisturizer. If you're someone who likes DIYs, then go for your DIYs. But you have to make sure that your DIYs are really moisturizing indeed. The number two thing that has helped me is using little heat on my hair. You can see here that I stretched my hair with African threading. Yes, African threading did this to my hair. I think I threaded the hair and left it for about 3 to 4 days. That's what got me this result. So during this journey, I have tried to minimize heat as much as possible. When I want to stretch my hair, I use African threading. Only last week, I actually tried this straightening brush on my hair. And guys, I didn't go all the way. I didn't do it the way I was supposed to, because I was afraid that my hair was going to break. Apart from not using excessive heat on my hair, I also make sure I put my hair in a protective style. You can see here now that there's a big difference between the previous clip and how my hair is right now. Protective styles have helped me, and my go-to protective style is a twist, because it is easy to install and easy to take down. I don't have to manipulate my hair too much to get my twist. And when I twist my hair, I do not, rough handle it. I do not manipulate it anyhow. Because the more you manipulate your hair, or the more I manipulate my hair, the more I see breakage. I twist up my hair, carry it for a while, and then take it down and twist it again. I do not leave my hair out a lot, because if I leave my hair out a lot, I will have a lot of tangles. I'll have I'll have lots of tangles. I'll have single strand knots. I like simplicity. I like to have a simple hair routine. When it comes to hair, it's not how complicated your routine is that will ensure you get good results. I have noticed that keeping my routine simple helps me a lot with with length retention. What products do I use? Most of the time, I use products that are not very expensive. I use products that are mostly made where I reside, because they will be cheaper and they are good too. I'm not saying the foreign products aren't good, they are very good. But we also have local products that give me results that I want. Don't have this notion that you have to use the very expensive ones before your hair is moisturized, before your hair grows, before you see results. Because if you have that notion, the way the economy is going now, you will have an excuse not to take care of your hair. You have an excuse not to moisturize your hair. When my hair is in a protective style, I don't manipulate it a lot. I do not, but I try as much as possible to make sure it is properly moisturized. Let me know in the comment section where you are in your hair growth. Guys, tell me what your challenges are when it comes to length retention. From observing myself and observing other people, I've noticed that no matter how much the hair grows, no matter how long the hair grows, keep making sure that you keep that length is very important. Don't give up on your hair growth journey. Don't let somebody else's experience discourage you from wanting to grow long natural hair. Now, am I saying everybody must have long natural hair? No. Some people like their short natural hair, but it's still healthy. There's nothing wrong with that. But for you who wants to grow long natural hair, you have to make sure you don't let other people's experiences discourage you. Make sure you moisturize your hair. Make sure you work on retaining that length. That is way more important than products to use to grow your hair. I hope this video has been of help to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.